shipwreck on the right
Затонувший
side. My name is
корабль.
Angie,
Затонувший
and I'm
корабль.
your tour guide. Upstairs is the
Видим
captain
затонувший
owner.
корабль. Мы находимся под водой. О, рыбка какая красавица! Давайте,
Ты не на увеличенной?
When you take pictures through the windows, do not use the flash. The reason is reflex. Inside here, use the flash. If you do not feel comfortable down here, you wish to go upstairs, you may do so. There's only one way to go up. You have to roll down the window.
Не нравится ему, бывает.
The same way that you can do it. Dinner on the right side. Yeah, those snappers.
Snappers.
You like to eat fish?
Yes.
Yes? Open the window.
Это снапперы. Snappers. Mind it.
The ship lies down there for 82 years. It was a steel German commercial cargo ship. Her own captain sank her 82 years ago.
That's cool.
Что, акула?
Да нет, крабы гуляют.
Dinner tonight. Get it, James. Dinner. Open the window. Dinner.
People looking out the window, what they're looking in.
One of us doing something. Isn't that cool? I love that. I'm gonna sit like this.
Сори, мам, это я.
О, смотри, сколько их много здесь.
Конечно.
О, какая прелесть. Кушать не хочешь, нет? Смотри, сколько они собрались.
Remember the movie? Everybody scream! What was the famous line of this movie? Yes, very good, kiddo. I think we're gonna need a bigger boat. The name of the movie? Jaws. The other day they told me Free Willy. No, that was Jaws.
Видишь, как это мотор работает, этот лодки, не видно, как вот видишь, под водой, как это выглядит. Интересно, да?
Все, рыбу убежали.
So, how deep is the bottom down there? 50 feet. Hawaii 5
50 метров глубина здесь.
The reason they call the show Hawaii 5-0. Nobody knows?
А вон рыбка маленькая какая блестящая.
Hawaii is the 50th state. What is first state? Delaware. Second is Pennsylvania. 6 Massachusetts. 49 Alaska. 48 Arizona. 18 I think is Ohio. 38 is North Dakota. The rest I do not know. Google.